You know, around here in downstate Illinois, we don't really measure time in years. We measure it in seasons, in harvests, and in the equipment that gets us through every single one of them. Since 1978, the Benning family has been right there with generations of landscapers. We've seen the industry change, but the question we hear at the shop is always the same. Which machine is actually going to help protect my family's future? As we head into 2026, choosing a mower is about more than just a brand or a color. It's about picking the machine that fits how you work and the legacy you're building. And that's where Grasshopper mowers come into the conversation. Take mid-mount mowers. If you're tackling large, open properties or office parks, these are your speed demons. They're built for stability and getting the job done fast. It's the go-to for the pro who prioritizes pure efficiency on open ground. Then you've got stand-on mowers. They've blown up lately because the visibility is incredible and they're so easy to hop on and off. If your route is full of tight residential spots or urban areas with constant stops, these are a total game changer. But for the families who need a machine that can truly do it all, there's the front mount Grasshopper. That design lets you reach under fences and low trees that others can't touch. In southern Illinois, where every property has its own quirks, that reach means less time trimming and more time moving. It's a workhorse that stays in a family for decades. Look at Benning Distributing. We know that every business works a little differently. We don't just sell you a machine, we help you look at the ROI, the real value, so you can find the one that fits your goals. Because we aren't just looking at the 2026 season, we're looking at where your business will be when your son and his son take the controls. Anyone can sell you a machine for today. We're here to help you choose the one that lasts forever. Benning Distributing. Real comparisons, real legacy, forever.